Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to correctly measure the distance from the wall when installing the folding TV ceiling mount. With the VISA brackets installed to the TV, place the TV face down on a flat surface, and then place the mount onto the back of the TV. Measure from the back edge of the mount to the bottom edge of the TV to determine the exact mounting distance needed from the wall. In this case, it's about 9 inches. And if you're not able to get this measurement right away, then a safe minimum distance between the mount and the wall is about 12 inches. Remove the mount from the back of the TV once you've gotten the measurement. The next thing to do will be to take the included mounting template along with a pencil and the tape measure and figure out exactly where you need to place the mount on the ceiling. While holding the template against the ceiling, measure from the wall to the back of the template. The distance we measured earlier for the TV being mounted was 9 inches for an exact distance, so to be safe, I'll add an extra inch and make it 10 inches. Now mark the drilling locations using a pencil. And in this case, I'll be mounting it to a stud in line with the mount, so I've marked the front and rear holes which are centered. Now remove the template from the ceiling. And now using a 3/16 inch drill bit for wood or a 3/8 inch drill bit for concrete, drill the marked holes into the ceiling. For the rear slot in the mount, it's actually possible to drill 2 holes and still have the screws go into a single stud for extra strength. Simply drill the 2 pretty close together, with maybe a 1/2 inch of space between them. And now install the mount to the pre-drilled holes. With the mount secured to the ceiling, the TV can now be installed. With the TV installed to the mount, you can now plug the power adapter into the mount and then into the wall. And now with everything measured correctly, your TV will be able to fold up to the ceiling and still have clearance from the wall. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to contact our customer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.